Hello and welcome back to my channel, Olivia Made. I would like to show you how to use the automatic needle threader on a machine. I own a Singer Patchwork machine. And here's my thread. I have already threaded it through the whole machine. Before you start using the automatic threader, make sure that your needle is at its highest position. Okay? And then you're going to want to hook it into the back. So here it's coming almost directly down from the needle. Then you have this is the automatic needle threader right here. Okay, you're going to hook it into this hook here first. You're going to push it down, and you see in the back it has like a U-shaped hook. You're going to want to push this lever back and it will move forward and it'll hug your machine. Okay, and it'll stay in place. Now switch the thread to your other hand and just place it underneath that U shape that is hugging your needle. And if you pull it forward, if you pull it up a little bit, you will see that it has a hook in the back right here. And now my thread has tension. I'm pulling it and it's not coming out. So hold your thread slightly up and loosely. Then you will release the lever here. And now your machine has been threaded. Push your thread with your finger towards the outside. Grab it with your other hand. And voila, your machine is threaded. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like. If you have any questions, please leave a comment at the bottom.